Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix media keys not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. The first solution you can try is to update your Windows operating system. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Windows Update tab. In the right pane, you will find an option to check for updates. Click this to see if any updates are available, and install them if there are. Next, let us look at updating your keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the list for keyboards. You will likely see more than one entry. Right-click on the first keyboard entry and select Update Drivers. Repeat this process by right-clicking on the second keyboard entry and selecting Update Drivers. Finally, we will perform a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. It is crucial to run this as administrator, so right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc:/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan to check for and repair any corrupted system files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.